Good morning everyone, and a slightly unusual video and a bit strange, but I just wanted to say it's not much of a milestone, but I've just reached 100 subscribers on the internet on my YouTube channel. I haven't broken the website yet, but it's a small figure, but you know, it's a milestone, and very much appreciate your support. And some of my videos are doing very well, and we've got up to, you know, over 8,000 on one of the videos there, so I'm really pleased with that. So what I'm filming at the moment is just a crop of Yacon I've just dug up. So we've had a really good crop. I thought they'd all have rotted during the winter in the ground, and they're the rhizomes, which I'll split up, and quite a few people are interested in purchasing some of those, and obviously I'll just give them away to some friendly neighbours as well. So yeah, it was just a quick thank you, and continue to support my channel. I know, like I said, 100's not a great number for most people, but it's a little milestone, so I really appreciate that. And before I go, just remembered, give me the thumbs up if if it's no trouble, and please subscribe, and it would be very much appreciated. Thanks again.